Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweden and to my workshop. A little while back you saw me make bodkin arrowheads. And I was very enthusiastic in my approach, and I thought they came out really good. I knew I wasn't really happy with them, but I thought they were good. I've got some advice after the last video. A guy called Sherman, who's, I must say, you would call him a master arrowhead smith in medieval arrowheads. He gave me a real good list of things I should do instead. He said the ones you made were more like nails with a socket. And after taking his advice and doing some more research, I realized that he was quite right. And of course, he has loads of experience. And I'm very grateful for the tips he gave me. What he said was that you should always use square stock if you want the historic feel, because they were not forged from round stock originally. They were made from square stock back in the olden days. He said when forging the flat template, you should always start on the angle of the bar. So when you have the bar here has four sides, other side up underneath, you start hitting on this side to make the flat, like that, instead of starting on the square side. And I tried that, and much easier to make the socket. So it was very, very simple to then do the fold. The other thing he said was there should be no hole between the socket and the point. And I went back and looked at my first nails with sockets, and I think I was on one there was a little hole, and the other one there was no hole. So that was a place where I succeeded a bit, so I was happy for that. He said it should be an hourglass shape. There should be an hourglass shape waist between the socket and the point. So if you look at the old ones I did here, there's no real waist in between. There's just a little bit of round, and then it transitions up into the nail head. And he said the one I made was a type 7 bodkin needle point. So I had to back off from there. It was not a type 10. And he said it should have a diamond cross section. I don't know if you remember, but I tried to do that in the last one, and it was not really a success. But now I was more conscious of it. So this is the first one that I did now, and you can see the difference between the two. There's a huge difference in them, and mostly it's because this one is larger, and I have a semi-hourglass shape here going on, and more of a diamond cross-section. And it all made more sense when I started forging like this. I had more of a plan. Here's the second one, and there you can see the diamond shape is more in effect. And you have that narrow waist. The socket has no hole as well. Then you have the third one, and I think the middle one was the best one, but here was the socket was too short here, I thought. I have, after I forged these, just worked on the socket a little bit just to make them even, because where the even bit starts, that's where the socket starts in my mind. Had a little bit of a gap here, but it's just an opening, it's not all the way through. Still, I must say, I'm very happy with this progress. And thank you, Sherman. I was really happy that you saw this video and you spent some time and giving me some advice. It made my day, so I could continue with this little hobby of forging more historically correct arrowheads. So this is a start, I feel. This is a good start, because now I have more direction on what I should do. The only thing I need now is some good literature on these types of arrowheads. So if any of you guys know any literature, please let me know in the comment section, and I'd be happy to take any suggestions and read up on the different types. Otherwise, I would like to thank everybody from the last videos. Really happy with your responses and the well wishes. I've had some good tips and, you know, things I should think about as well, and I love that stuff because that's why I started the channel. I don't have a blacksmith master to learn from, so I'm sort of learning for myself and watching videos. So I love that stuff, getting all that feedback. Thank you so much, and thank you for all the hurrahs and well wishes in this channel of mine. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and you guys that have been with me from the start, thank you so much for continuing supporting me. And every one of my subscribers, I'm really thankful for you and that you like to watch my things and the things I make. So have a really nice day, and I hope you all stay creative wherever you are.